What's going on, junkies, and welcome back. Guys, I'm excited once again. It's Friday and I'm off work today as I already got my 40 hours in. So we got about 7 hours today. I'm back out here at this beautiful little walkway. We've hit quite a few times, and then I figure after working this for a while and getting some lunch, we'll actually go underneath the bridge. I haven't been under there in a long time, but it's a pretty cool spot. So we'll see if we can get there. Maybe one video, maybe two, who knows. But you guys can see I got the brand new Magnetar t-shirt. They got t-shirts in, got my Magnetar cap on. Got the official Magnetar bucket. You guys have seen the other one sometimes, but those were special just to my global magnet fishing day event. So we are gonna get the Barbarian from Magnetar out here and see what's hiding down below. Before we do, once again, everyone, another shout out and super special thank you to not one, but two new members of the Magnet Junkie family, John Mayo and Greyhound Duo. Thank you two so much. You guys have been here for quite a while. I appreciate the extra support from the bottom of my heart. You all are just blowing me away with this. We're doing awesome. We're gonna keep pushing forward and we'll keep doing giveaways and all that fun stuff. Now with all that being said, let's get this magnet out there and see what's hiding down below. Thanks, guys. We got something. We did get something. What do we got there? No. Come back here. Is it attached to something? It's like a rope. It is a rope. How do we even get that? Oh, there's metal wire in it. What's it attached to? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like some kind of fish trap or something somebody rigged up. Some kind of old fish trap or something that somebody rigged up. Couple clams in there. Oh, that big old guy right there. He was stuck in there. Hey buddy, you can go be free now. That's pretty cool for the first find. Something. Got a little fishing net. A little fishing net. That one's done for. I'm gonna take that too. Got a little screw on there. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. It's another part of the drum set, guys. It's another drum snare. Huh. That one's got the different top on it. We found a cowbell. And I don't know drum sets really, but the other one had a black top on it, or maybe it was just black from being down there and having all this stuff in it that smells great. All right. See if we can find the rest of it. right there. Oh, we got it. What do we got this time? Huh. Oh. What? What's this guy? What in the world? Looks like some kind of rock. What's happening right now? What is happening? Looks like some kind of funky rock. Like green color in it. And it's heavy. There's a piece of petrified wood stuck on there. Like, that's really interesting. You guys see the colors coming out of that? I have no idea why this would be magnetic, but it is. I'll have to clean that up and figure that out. It's interesting. Oh, I think we might have landed on something. I believe so. Oh, it just hit something else. Okay. God, this spot has just been crazy, everyone. What's this one? Oh, look, it's bent. Majestic. Professional, majestic. God, what'd it take to bend that thing like that? Got another hammer to smack stuff clean with. That's a socket. I keep finding these all the time. People use sockets to weigh things down with. I felt it running over something else down there. Maybe another crab trap. But I don't think that would be holding a crab trap down. That's unfortunate. Well, I wasn't recording somehow, but pulled out a really old street sign, a road barrier sign here. What's left of one, at least. I don't know why this thing wasn't on. Let's see what else is down below. Now to the bank here. What was that? I don't really know what that is. Just falling apart. Might have been an old spade or something. I don't know. Got something else. Oop. What that is? It's not rebar. I guess it is rebar. No. Nope, that's not. Some kind of arm to some kind of tool or something. Is that a sway bar? Is that what it is? A sway? I think it's called a sway bar. It's all falling apart on me. You guys tell me there's a little end pieces. Yeah. Such an odd variety of things here. It's that guy. Old piece of metal bracket, I believe. Come here, come here. All right, I knew I felt something smack on there. Big old donut. Top to something. A1. The A1 on there. Felt that thing come out of the mud and smack the magnet. Come on. Out of the mud. Thank you. Alright. Just one little piece of rebar. That's stuck down in the mud. Take it. We'll take it. It's Florida for you. It's so pretty over there. No chance of rain today. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I'm literally watching a wall of water come at us. You have to go hide in the car for a minute. It won't be too long, it's Florida. Alright. It's about 20 minutes. It's kind of moving on by. Hopefully you guys don't get too wet. I'm bored sitting in the car. Let's get back to this. There's something down there. I knew I felt something. Oh, okay. All right. That. We found so many motors here, but this is a little electric air pump for like a mattress or something like that. Heck yeah. It probably won't work. Whatever, that's still cool. I'll take it. Oh, I think we got it. Yep, we got it. All right, all right. Another piece of rebar there. Is that we got the pliers, boys and girls, little pink pair. Yeah. It's not magnet fishing if I don't find my pliers. There we go. Nope. Nah. Oh, I got you. Come here. We got us a laptop, boys and girls. We had a laptop, boys and girls. They're not very magnetic. There it is. There it is. Got us a brand new laptop there. HDMI Energy Star Windows 7 Intel inside. Acer. Asus. I think it's from 2012. That thing's heavy. April of 2012 there. That was either stolen, somebody didn't want whatever's on it to be seen by anybody. A wire to something. There's something on it. No, it's just a whole bunch of wire. Is it wire? Can't stay. I don't know. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, so that was actually about 4 hours or so working along this walkway again for some more cool finds. The laptop, drum stuff, but the most interesting thing is what looks to be some kind of rock, that the green stuff that was coming off of it. So that's piqued my interest. We'll clean that up a little bit, but I'm hot and sweaty, so we're gonna go get some lunch and see if we can get back out here for another one today. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for tagging along. If you have not done it at this point, please drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And with that being said, everyone remember, get up, get out, go find yourself, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, everyone.